Welcome back everyone to generate.net. Today we're releasing a brand new app to add to our imaging apps. This is called the AI sticker generator. Instantly create any type of sticker for any type of project. So just to start with some examples of stickers that we've created, just to give you an example of what's possible. Now, as you're probably aware, stickers have a clear background, meaning you can use them right away on your projects. So as you can see, they have a type of 3D look around them, and that's going to make them look like real stickers right off the bat. So if I click here on the CPNG checkbox, what you're going to find is that you can actually see which parts of the image are actually opaque and which parts are transparent. You can leave this off because you kind of can trust the AI to do the job properly and give you a file which has invisibility in the right places. So as you can see, this is an adorable cartoon, and if we switch off this PNG checkbox, what you'll see is just the sticker itself. When we download any of these files, we get a very high quality file, which you can always enlarge later if you need to, but it's going to be about 1000 by 1000 pixels by default. Now let's just test this app right now. I can't think of a good example, but let's say you wanted a butterfly sticker, let's say a cute butterfly with big eyes. So you click on generate, and remember it costs only 3 credits per image generation. Per sticker generation, it takes about 10 seconds to generate an image usually. So I'm going to generate a few of these so that we have one to choose from, and after that I'm going to open it in an app so you can see exactly what kind of file you get once it's downloaded. So remember, generate.net is not just a sticker creation app. We have a bunch of image creation apps. You just click on select an app at the top, click on image, and you'll see just a regular image generator, PNG generator, and now the sticker generator, which is brand new. We have a coloring book creator, which creates entire coloring books. A children's storybook creator, which entire children's storybooks. Regular AI vision, where you upload an image and get some questions. And consistent character, image enlarger, find and replace, and all the other tools. Now let's see what's going on with this butterfly picture. So this one isn't as great as I wanted. I don't like this one because I wanted the eyes to be big, but not necessarily a butterfly with a body. This one I like a lot. I think it's really cute that it has big eyes. I think this one's probably the best pick for me. So I'm just going to download it right now. And you have 3 options. Personal use is 2.5 credits, commercial use is 5, and exclusive rights and removal from our database is 30. I recommend commercial. And remember, once you download it, it's yours forever. And just so you're aware, you can always search for free without actually paying these 3 credits. So let's say you need something like an apple, and you click on search. Any result that comes up down here is completely free. You can then use that without paying the 3 credits to generate. So now if anyone comes after me and types butterfly and clicks search, all of these are pre-generated. Now you don't have to pay for them to be generated, so you only have to actually pay for the downloading. So now that it's downloaded, let's open it up in our Photoshop just to see what kind of file you're getting. And if I open up this and go to my downloads, you'll find it here. And let me just show you my screen right here. So as you can see, this is the file you can expect, and this is at 100%. So you can see the quality here is absolutely unbelievable. I can see that the wings have a little bit of transparency, which can be very helpful sometimes, but otherwise everything else is transparent. Let's try and put something behind it just to see how that would look. Let's look at the layers here and add another layer behind, and then just put something behind. Let's zoom out a little bit. Let's put a white background, and as you can see, that's perfect. That would make a perfect sticker for any purpose. Thank you for watching. This was generate.net, your home for AI apps. So apart from imaging apps, which we've talked about, we also have audio apps, book creation apps, which actually is our most popular. You can create any type of book, even regular books, to be sold on Amazon. We have text apps, which you can create text apps to do mini processes which you need done regularly, and you could chat with ChatGPT regularly, and just many other. This is one of my favorites. You should watch the video on this one. Absolutely unbelievable. Thank you for watching. Give a like on this video so that you never miss another video, and subscribe to our channel. Bye for now.